Okay. Why DeCoWaste? Why this project is important and why it has been funded? Well, the 30% of the total generated waste in the European Union corresponds to construction and demolition waste. Also, this industry accounts for 50% of extracted materials. But not only that, there is also another environmental impact from the construction buildings, only maintenance of the buildings, because they are highly inefficient in the European Union as average. We really need to understand everybody in the chain value why they are not implementing circular economy. And from this we are going to do also talking with research centers and specialists. We are going to know different applications of these recycled aggregates, and we will do a recommendations catalog about how to collect the construction and demolition waste separated, raise awareness about professionals, about the people that have to do a tender, and how to revalorize this waste. In Spain, for example, but it happens in many other countries, this figure is incredible. 20% of construction and demolition waste is uncontrolled. They end up in nature, whatever. What is the problem? That big companies, they include the cost of taking the construction and demolition waste to the treatment plant in their price. But the small companies, they don't do it. So they just leave it in places. We have this problem, we have this challenge, but if we do it correctly, we can create green jobs, create new business opportunities. So we are doing different pilot actions. In the Eco Park in Viana do Castelo and Ceutí, we are going to create new eco parks for these small companies that don't have enough resources to take the construction and demolition waste. So we will open for them, and we will start learning how they are separating the waste, if they are doing correctly, what kind of waste they are generating. With ITC, our partner from the research from the ceramic industry, they are going to study the waste that is coming to our eco park, and they are going to find a new use that can be a business opportunity, because you know that the ceramic waste, because it absorbs a lot of water and so on, it's more difficult to take advantage of it. So we are going to do public furniture inspiring the new European House. And our colleagues from Treefield, they are going to work with the treatment of the mineral fraction, and we are going also to learn from them in the other territories. So from all this learning, we are going to expand our project, devising an action plan for Alto Niño, an action plan for town department in which Treefield is established, in Asata, that is in the north of Spain, with a municipality that is called Langreo. They are going to replicate our project, and we are going to devise construction and demolition waste recovery and valorization strategy, so that any territory, not only the countries that affect Sudoe, but we will also make some of our outputs in English, but it can be used in other countries. And we will adopt this strategy in Ceutí. So this is the timeline for our project. We are now at the end of the initial assessment. We will start soon with this eco park, and we will at the end devise all these strategies in order to transfer everything that we have learned. So in the end, we really hope that we can achieve a big impact in this project. We expect to reduce waste disposal, increase the collaboration across the value chain, increase the recovery of construction and demolition waste, identify and promote new business opportunities, green employment, of course reduce the extraction of natural aggregates, improve knowledge, and why not for the projects that were successful in the first and the second call of the Sudoe program, that is us, if we perform a good project, we have the opportunity of applying for another call that it will extend another 1.5 years the project, and we may include other stakeholders in order to amplify our project. So maybe one of you in this room could be a potential new partner in our new phase. So I invite you to follow us. We have a website dedicated to our project. We are also in LinkedIn and Facebook. We are uploading there all the different deliverables that we are developing along the project. And thank you very much.